So in this video, we are going to replace inbuilt fetch API system with custom hook. Let's start. Hello friends, and in this video, we are going to replace the inbuilt fetch API system with a custom hook. We can call it useApi. So let's start up by creating a new project. Let's go to your workspace and then type in npx create React app useApi. Hit enter, and I'll be back when it's finished. As you can see, the installation is finished. Let's open up it in our VS Code useApi, and then cd to useApi and yarn start to start the development server. Let's wait. Okay, there we go. Let's open the console, and inside src folder we are going to create a hooks folder, and inside we are going to create a file called useapi.js, and in here we are going to first import state from React, use state. Let's create a function called, say, useApi equal to function, which will return nothing, and let's create a state to store our data. Use state data. Initial value will be loading true, and next what we want to do is, for this demonstration, I'm going to use this fake store API. This one. Let's create a function called get, and in here we are going to make a get request, and the data will be stored inside the data state we just created in here. So the state loading will become false and the data will be JSON. Alright, we don't want this to be constant, so let's pass the parameter URL in here in the API in the hook, and we can use it right here. And we are going to return data, also get function. So if we go to app.js, and then let's remove this, or let's leave it like that. We can import, we can use it like this, constant API is equal to useApi. It's important because we are not exporting it. Export it like this, useApi. And in app.js we can use it like this, and pass in the URL as a string, and let's use useEffect because we don't want to call API on every single render. So api.get, and let's remove these, and if api.loading, we are going to render loading else loaded. If we hit save, we can see that it's loading and loading. There we go. What exactly is loaded, we can get it like this, console.log API data data. Oh, there we go. We forget to add empty array. Oh, there we go. We got all the data. Let's create it. Let's create a shopping div. Here we are going to loop through api.data.map item. This will return an h1 item.title type, and there we go. If we refresh, it says loading and it loads the data. It's h126. Alright, there we go, loading, and then this one. There we go, we just created a custom hook to replace fetch API. Of course, you can add multiple functions here. I have added get, and you can add more of them, like for post request, like this. You can do in here, make post request. You can accept the body, or you can accept the body like this, and pass in like return the post function like this, and in the app.js we can call api.post with the data, whatever you want, or you can add some headers, whatever, or you can use these this one as a constant and then use api/products like that. So, and the base URL you can use like this, constant base URL, or you can say just post is equal to this one, and post plus URL like that. You don't use slash. So, and there we go, it's working like that. So that's how we create custom hooks in React. It's very easy and very powerful, you can say that. It's very handy too. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you don't know, if you want to know something else about hooks, so let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe because I upload videos like this on a daily basis. So until then, take care, bye.